Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 5 controller that is stuck vibrating. And this is relatively easy to do. So if I flip over the controller, there is going to be a small pinhole on the back. And it's located right here. Now I do have a back button attachment on there from AIM controllers, which I really enjoy. But if I press down this little reset button right here with a toothpick, my controller is going to turn off. And this is going to reset the controller. And if it's vibrating, it's going to completely stop it. Now another thing that you could do is if you hold down the PlayStation button right here, and you hold it down for about 10 seconds, you'll notice your controller is going to completely manually turn off. So if I continue to hold this down, this light on the light bar will turn off. So it just turned off right now. So you can try those two methods. Now on your PlayStation 5, if you do have access to it, maybe you can use a TV remote or you can still use your controller. Go up to settings, and then scroll on down to where it says accessories. Now under here, let's go to controller general, go to the right, and then we have vibration intensity. We can turn off the vibrations right here and completely remove them from the PlayStation 5 controller. Now another thing you do is press the PlayStation button, open up the quick menu, go to your controller, under accessories, select it, and then you can manually turn it off right here in the menus. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.